In this tutorial, we will be talking about other physical properties of alkanes. We will be talking about the solubility of alkanes. Usually, when we talk about solubility, we are interested in the solubility in aqueous solutions, so in solutions where the solvent is water. Alkanes are insoluble in water, so if we added an alkane to water, they will not form a homogeneous solution. And this is because the water molecules are held together by hydrogen bonds. So these are the hydrogen bonds holding the water molecules together, and they are much stronger than the van der Waals forces acting between alkane molecules. However, alkanes do mix with other relatively nonpolar liquids. So alkanes, which are nonpolar, are insoluble in polar molecules of water. However, they will be soluble in nonpolar liquids. Let's examine now how alkanes react. Alkanes are relatively unreactive, so they undergo few reactions. And this is because they have strong carbon-carbon bonds and carbon-hydrogen bonds. So the bonds between carbon atoms and between carbon and hydrogen are strong, which means that they need a lot of energy to be broken and thus to be involved in a chemical reaction. So alkanes will not react with acids, bases, oxidizing agents, and reducing agents. However, they do burn and they will react with halogens under suitable conditions. So, alkanes will undergo combustion reaction and they can react also with halogens, with chlorine, bromine, fluorine, and iodine. Alkanes can burn in a plentiful supply of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. So an alkane will react with oxygen and the products will be carbon dioxide and water. Or if we have a restricted supply of oxygen, they will form carbon monoxide or even carbon. We will be talking more about the reactions of alkanes, which are combustion reactions and reactions with halogens in the upcoming sections.